The biggest lie you're being told right now is that all you need is a good sales letter and you can peddle most anything online. False. If you don't have a product that your prospects would crawl across flaming hot coals for, then your business is dead before you even get started. And if you happen to eke out a sale but the product totally stinks, well, you can bet you'll get a ton of refunds and pissed off customers. So let's avoid that nightmare. What you need to do is create impressive, high-quality products that your prospects simply can't resist. Better yet, these products should be quick and easy to make, and you should be able to charge a premium price for them. Is it possible? You bet it is. I'm talking digital products like ebooks, videos, audios, webinars, apps, and similar products. These items are easy to create, easy to deliver, and easy to build a six-figure business with. Now, you've probably seen plenty of people struggling to build a digital product business. These poor guys can't even cover their measly web hosting fees. Some of them go bankrupt trying to get it off the ground. And maybe these sob stories have you thinking that selling digital products is some kind of a sham. Tell that to Bill Gates. Tell that to Amazon Kindle. Tell that to Apple iTunes. Because you know what? Those are the types of products I'm talking about. If you visit a marketplace like iTunes or Kindle, you'll see product creators killing it every single day of the week. You could be one of those product creators once you know the secrets for creating profitable products. And that's exactly what you're about to discover inside this exciting set of training videos. So you're probably wondering what makes this program different than everything else out there. The reason this is the best product creation program on the net is because it was created by not one, but two of this industry's top product creation experts. These are two guys who've pulled down millions of dollars over the years by creating and selling their own products. They've created ebooks, videos, apps, webinars, and more across a whole slew of niches. They know what works. They know how to create super profitable products. And now you too can find out their secrets by getting your hands on this exclusive video training program right now. Listen, I know there are a lot of product creation courses on the web, but the vast majority of them were created by wannabes whose one and only product is about product creation. That doesn't make any sense. It's ridiculous. So if you want to know the truth about creating in-demand products that sell like crazy, then get the information straight from the real experts by ordering this course today using the buy link on this page. Best of all, if you order right now, you can lock in a low price. I can't guarantee this price will be available if you hesitate and come back later. So make the decision right now to create a successful business. Use the link below to order this video training program so you can finally find out how to create super profitable products. Click the buy button now to get started. You'll be glad you did.